Karibuni sana. Welcome back to Feminine Allure. Today we're going to learn how to apply one color of eyeshadow. And the color we're using today is purple because I asked my friend and she chose purple, so we're going with that. As you can see, I've already prepared my skin. I've done every skin work except my eyes. So my eyes is the only thing that's left. So let's jump straight into the first thing I'm going to do is to apply concealer on my eyelids. Now I'm going to blend this concealer on my eyelids. This is a very quick look and nice. So first you take a light brush like this one, very fluffy, very light, and obviously place it on the eyeshadow. So we're using purple, so don't go heavy with this first layer. Very light, so remember to go very light. I cannot insist that enough. And you're going to just trace this upper bone part. You can feel this bone, so this bone is what we're going to trace, and that's what we're doing. That is the outermost blending, see, and then just place the rest on the eyelid, then go back and really blend it, and take your time with this. I hope you're noticing where I'm holding my brush from. If you want to go really light on your blending, hold the very bottom. But if you want to go heavy, you hold it really close. So this helps. That's a tip for me. I hope it helps you. I'm using windshield motions. This is the best way to blend. And I'm also raising my eyebrows up. Just give me enough room to play my eyelid. So now I'm going to use a more firm brush. You don't have to. You can still use the fluffy brush if you don't have more brushes to play with. But if you do, use this for this next step. So I'm going to just place it and really dig into the product. Dab it, just collect as much product as possible. So now I'm just going to place it. You're going to push it until you feel that bone again, okay? So that's what I'm doing. You can already see the difference between this eye and this eye, and it's just one color. So we're just going to go to the outer part here, just the bone again, and just blend. You can even look down to give your brush some space to work. So it's time to put on my eyeliner. I've already finished blending both eyes. So today I'm also reviewing Fleur the Neem eyeliner. I hope it works out well. I like how it looks so far. It's pen-ish, marker pen-ish. So I think the cutter is going to be really good. Let's see. Side, but I also realized that we have decided just just supposed to stamp the eyeliner. Maybe we'll do this on my Instagram stories, but will it really work for both sides? Because it seems to be only on the left, right? I don't know, but I'll give you a review once I do. Okay, so I've put on my lashes off camera, and now for my signature part. I don't know if I've ever talked about this on this channel before, but something that I really like that amplifies every look is combing the bottom lashes with your mascara. Make sure that your wand has very, very little mascara on it. Wipe it off, and be delicate because you don't want to spoil the look at this point. So take it easy, one at a time. I'm shaking and pulling so that it can just get some product. There's a difference. You can't tell me you can't see the difference. There's a difference. And that difference is worth it. It will set your makeup apart. Okay, so let's do the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to use Huda Cosmetics Cape Coast. This is from her Star collection. They have a sale, just in case you're interested. Check them out. You will not regret. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black. I know. Don't come for me yet. Wait and see, we'll work it. So I'm using black to outline. This was foundation and gloss, by the way. Looks cute too. I'm also using a brown eye pencil. To just soften the edges a little bit. So now the star of the show. Oh, it got into my hair. Perfect. Tell me that it's not beautiful. Ooh, do you see that? Butter. This is the end of this video. Oh my gosh, I am so pleased with how this look has turned out, and my hair is giving. So thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I hope you've learned something, and I hope that this helps your makeup faster, easier, quicker, better looking. I don't know, any tip that you've gotten from this video, use it. And if you feel like someone else can use it too, do share, and please favorite this video if you've liked it. Thank you so much. The streets are calling me, so right now I'm about to take that call. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
And there's nobody out